afternoon, Department of Social Services. This is Mariana. How may I help you? Sure thing. Can I get your name and case number, please? Becoming an eligibility worker has made me humble. It opened a new perspective of life for me. I learned about people's needs that I didn't know existed. You think that your struggles are like the worst, but then when you are on the phones and people are telling their story, you realize that you are so blessed and you have everything that other people don't have.
The role of the eligibility worker in our community is to identify the most vulnerable people that live in our community and serve them.
We deal with programs such as medi-cal and CalFresh, which are programs which help people with things like access to health care and their food security. It can really make a huge difference in the lives of our clients and a big difference in their day-to-day health and well-being.
Especially the ones that are going through some hard times, either financially or maybe they've lost their health insurance, so they need to be available for the clients.
We're talking about the very basic needs of the most vulnerable people in our community. Those are the clients in the focus of the attention of the eligibility worker. The job duties of an eligibility worker stem from the need to determine eligibility for the programs and services for the community that we serve.
We're dealing with some fairly complicated governmental regulations with the programs that we deal with, and a lot of what we do is trying to explain those things to clients to make it clear and concise to them what their requirements and responsibilities are as recipients of our programs.
Review their demographics, like household size, their income, and then we determine if the household is eligible for any benefits.
We take phone calls and answer their questions, explain program rules and regulations, and we help them find outside resources for any other of their needs.
Also, we use a wide variety of computer software programs in the administration of these eligibility programs that we work with. We interview people, we talk to clients from all different walks of life, everywhere from college students up to senior citizens. We're often assisting them with things like helping to complete their forms, because anytime you're dealing with government regulations, things can get pretty complicated, even for us as eligibility workers. So we try to put things into terms that clients can comprehend and they can understand why we require these things of them.
Coming into the Department of Social Services is an entry-level position, what we call an Eligibility Worker 1. It begins with a very intensive induction training where the worker learns all the program regulations that govern every program that we manage here.
The training that you go through as an eligibility worker can be pretty intensive. There are a lot of things you have to learn, a lot of different computer programs, as well as the different programs that we administer here. So it can be very intense, but it's also exciting, and you're constantly learning new things, and you'll meet some great coworkers in training as well.
And after training ends, you will hit the floor or start working with the rest of your peers, where you're gonna learn how to process everything.
And you continue to learn the entire time. The learning really never stops. You get the majority of your training in that first year, but things are constantly changing. Eligibility work is very dynamic, and we are always learning new things and taking on new challenges. So if you're somebody who likes learning, this is a great job for you.
I love my job because it's very challenging. You always are learning. It is like putting a puzzle together every day. And every day is a different puzzle. So you're challenged. Okay, so you share housing with her parents? Okay, do you purchase and prepare the food together with them or on your own?
The Benefit Service Center is what we call a call center. But in reality, what it is a bank where all the cases, medi-cal and CalFresh cases from the county are located.
I'm Jose Clemente, Division Chief at the Benefit Service Center with Santa Barbara County Department of Social Services. The position of Eligibility Worker 1 is our entry-level position in the Eligibility Worker series. The Benefit Service Center provides support to over 70,000 medi-cal cases, 20,000 CalFresh cases, which is about 170,000 county residents, or a fourth of the county's population. In serving this population, we receive over 110,000 calls per year. Out of those phone calls, we consistently receive a 90% satisfaction rate from our clients. Our clients contact us when they have nowhere else to turn. The job of an eligibility worker is a great way to serve your community and do work that matters. Because when we provide a service to our clients, we know it will make a lasting impact.
The Benefit Service Center is a very dynamic environment. You will never be bored working here. And on top of getting to deal with some pretty wonderful clients, you're going to have lots of wonderful coworkers. And it really is a great place to work, just based on the people alone.
The qualities that an eligibility worker must have to be successful is be a good multitasker, learn time management, be productive, be sympathetic.
In order to succeed in this job, first it needs to bring an open mind and a teachable attitude.
Being a responsible individual plays a huge role in this job because you are accountable for everything that needs to be done in this job.
I come to work every day because what we do for social services and for our communities is really important, and somebody needs to be here to do the work.
Okay. Any other questions? All right. Thank you so much for your time. You have a great day, okay? Bye-bye.